PowerPoint is a great tool for digital signage and information screens, but it is static. By using PresentationPoint's plugins, you can bring your presentations to life. Here we have a nice information screen. At the left, we show our calendar. Here you could also show your products and promotions of your shop. Then in this area, we show weather information. For that we use DataPoint and connect to real-time weather. After that, we can show a weather icon, current weather information and forecasts. But for this video, I want to show you how you can show live TV in PowerPoint by using VideoPoint. Click to open it and insert a typical green screen on your slide. Place and resize the green screen where you want it to be. Set the source not to a local camera or webcam here, but for streaming video we set this to IP camera. And then we set the URL of the TV stream that we want to show. You can get the URL of a live TV stream when you dig into the source code of a website. Then run the slideshow. VideoPoint will replace the green screen with the live TV URL of your choice. Now you get more attention to your digital signage screens.